Good morning, all. This is Naganika, Government Model Degree College, L.R. Reddy, lecturer in Commerce. Now, let us discuss the problems of non-profit organizations. Now, the following is the receipts and payments account of Vani Nursing Home for the year ended 30th June 2005. From the receipts side, here the balance B by D on June 1st, 2004, that is 2010. To subscriptions 1115. Then to municipal grant, that is 1000. To donations for building fund 1560. To interest is 38. The total is 5993. The payment side is salaries of nurses, that is 656. By boarding etc 380. By rents and taxes 200. By cost of vehicles 2000. By expenses of vehicles 840. By drugs, that is 670. The balance C by D is 1247, that is 5993. Now, the home owns freehold land, that is 8000. Donation of the 100 received for the building fund, that is wrongly included in the subscriptions account. A bill for medicines purchased during the year amounting is 129 was outstanding. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year and balance sheet as at 30th June 2005. Now, Vani Nursing Home's balance sheet as on 31/6/2004. This is opening balance sheet. So here cash opening balance is 2010. Then freehold land, that is 8000. The total is 10,010. So capital fund is 10,010. Now we have to prepare income and expenditure account. Two salaries of nurses, that is 656 given in the problem. To boarding 380 is given in the problem. To rent 200 is given in the problem. To vehicle expenses 840 given in the problem. To drugs is 670. The outstanding drugs is 129 is the adjustment. 670 plus 129, that is 799. The total is 2875. By subscriptions is 1115 is given in the problem. Less building means building subscriptions are included in this 100 rupees, that is we have to remove the, so a donation of 100 received for the building fund was wrongly included in the subscriptions, means here we have to reduce the 100 rupees from the subscriptions. Here 115 minus 100, that is 1015. By fees from members, that is 270 is given in the problem. By municipal grants, that is 1000 given in the problem. By interest 38 given in the problem. By excess of expenditure over income, so means debit balances are more than credit side balances. So debit balance is 2875. Then from 2875 we have to reduce all these credit side balances. 552 is the excess of expenditure over income, so expenditure is more than income. Now we have to prepare the balance sheet. So here balance sheet, the liabilities are capital fund 10,010. So minus deficit means here excess of expenditure over income, that is 552. So here 10,010 minus 552, that is 9,458. Next, outstanding medical bill, that is 129. Building 1560 plus here we have to add the 100 rupees to building fund. So we reduced the 100 rupees from subscriptions. We are adding to the this 100 rupees to the building. 1560 plus 100, that is 1660. The total of liabilities 11,247. Next to free land, that is 8,000. Vehicle is 2,000. Then cash closing balance 1,247. That is total is 11,247. So this is the balance sheet of the Vani nursing home. Now let us discuss another problem. Now, from the following particulars relating to Adarsh commercial literary societies, prepare receipts and payments account, an income and expenditure account, and balance sheet as on 31st December 2005. Balance sheet as at 31st December 2004 means last year balance sheet. Outstanding creditors, that is 425, excess of income over expenditure, that is 15,575. The total is 16,000. Here cash at bank, that is 3,000. Next government securities, that is 10,000. Accrued interest 125. Outstanding subscriptions, that is 400. Library books, that is 1000. Furniture and fittings 1475. The total is 16,000. Here the transactions for the year is 2005 are received from subscriptions 2500. Proceeds of entertainment and lectures 1000. Received from interest on securities 475. Entrance fees received 500. Sale proceeds of old chairs, that is 75. Now paid rent for 600. For printing 150. For advertising 200. For petty disbursements 55. Now purchase of government securities 2500. Paid for outstanding creditors 425. For furniture 400. For library books 300. For entertainment 750. Now on 31st December 2005, the following liabilities were outstanding: for printing 75, for rent that is 100 rupees. There were also outstanding on the account of the interest on securities, that is 150, and subscriptions, that is 325. Now this is the problem. Now we have to prepare the receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account. So receipts and payments account of Adarsh commercial and literary societies. Receipts and payments account for the year ended as on 31/12/2005. Here receipts side, that is balance means opening balance of cash, that is 3000. Next subscriptions 2500. Entertainment and lectures 1000. Interest on securities 475. Entrance fees, that is 500. Sale of furniture, that is 75. Then payments side is by rent 600, by printing 150, by advertising 200, by petty disbursements 55, by investments 2500, by outstanding creditors last year 425, furniture is 400, that is library books 300, by entertainment 750, balance is 2170. So here this is receipts and payments account of the Adarsh commercial literary society. Now we have to prepare the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/12/2005. Now this is income and expenditure account. First to rent that is 600, and again outstanding we have to add the outstanding rent, that is 700. Now printing is 150. Outstanding printing is 75 is given in the adjustment. 150 plus 75 to 25. By advertising is 200. To petty disbursements 55. To entertainment 750. And again credit side subscriptions is 2425. So for subscriptions we have the adjustment. Subscriptions for the current year 2500. This 2500 is given 2500 is given in the adjustment. That is add current year outstanding. So this 325 is given in the adjustment, means 2825 minus outstanding, means last year subscriptions 400. 2825 minus 400, that is 2425. Here 2425 425 is the subscriptions. Interest, for interest also we have the adjustment. Interest for the current year 475. Add outstanding for the current year 150 is given in the adjustment. 475 plus 150, that is 625, minus outstanding for the last year. Last year outstanding is 125. So we have to minus the last year outstanding. 625 minus 125, 500 is the interest, that is credit side of the income. By entertainment and lectures 1000. This 1000 is given in the problem. Next, by entrance fees 500 is given in the problem. Adjustment. So here the total of the credit side is 4425. Next we have to reduce the credits from debit. So the excess of income over expenditure is 2495. Now as on 31/12/2000. The liabilities, outstanding expenses, outstanding printing is 75, outstanding rent is 100, that total is 175. Now capital fund is 15,575. Add excess of income over expenditure, that is 2,495. The total is 1870. Next, furniture is 1475. So add purchase of furniture 400, that is 1875. Then minus sale of furniture, that is 75. So that is 1800. Books 1000. Add purchase of the books is 300, that is 1300. Investments is 10,000. Add purchase of investments 2500, 12,500. Accrued interest is given in the problem 150. Subscriptions outstanding 325 given in the adjustment. Cash, closing balance of cash is 2170. The total of the both sides is 18,245. Let us discuss another problem. Now the Jai Bharat Sports Club gives you the following receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st December 2005. Receipts side, cash in hand 300, cash at bank 2500, subscriptions that is 8000. Then tournament fund is 3000, life membership fees 2000, entrance fees 500, donations for pavilion 4500, sale of newspaper 200, sale of grass, that is 500. The total is 21,500. Now payments side, groundman fee is 2000. Next, moving machine is 1500. Next, rent is 1000. Salaries to coaches, that is 4000. Tournament expenses 1200. General expenses 2800. Sports equipment purchased, that is 1500. Cash in hand 1500. Cash at bank 6000. The total of the payment side is 21,500. Now let us discuss the adjustments. Subscriptions due on 31st December 2004 and 31st December 2005, 1,100 respectively. Subscriptions received also include subscription for 2006 is, that is 300. Then sports equipment on hand on 31st December 2004 was 200. The value of placed equipment on hand 31st December 2005 is 1300. The moving machine was purchased on 31st July 2005 and is to be depreciated at 20% per annum. Prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet relating to 1988. Income and expenditure account for the year ended as on 2005. Now we have to prepare the income and expenditure account. Now salaries. These salaries are given in to salaries to coaches, that is given in the problem 4000. To ground fees, that is that's given in the problem. To rent 1000 is given in the problem. To general expenses 2500 is 2800 is given in the problem. To sports equipment 1400 is given in the problem. Next, here depreciation is we have adjustments for sports equipment. Sports equipment value is 1200 is given in the problem. Add purchase of sports equipment 1500, 1200 plus 1500 2700 minus opening balance of sports equipment 1300, 2700 minus 1300 1400. Here sport equipment 1400. To depreciation on machinery 150. Credit side of the income. So by subscriptions, for subscriptions we have adjustment. Subscriptions 8000, add outstanding for the current year. So outstanding means 9500 minus outstanding for last year. So last year outstanding means that is 1000. 9500 minus 1000, that is 8500 minus advance receipt of subscriptions, that is 300. 8500 minus 300, that is 8200 is the subscriptions. Fees is 500. Sale of newspaper 200. By sale of gross, that is 500. By excess of expenditure over income, that is 1950. So means here debits are more than credits, means expenditure is more than income. That is why we got by excess of expenditure over income that is 1950. Now let us we have to prepare the balance sheet. In balance sheet, so subscriptions received in advance means that is 300. Tournament fund 3000, we have to reduce the tournament expenses from the tournament fund, that is 1200. So 3000 minus 1200, 1800. Donations for pavilion, that is 4500. Capital fund 5000 plus life membership, that is 2000. We have to add 7000 minus excess of expenditure over income, that is 1950, that is 5050. Next, assets side, making machinery 1500, then minus the depreciation, that is 150, 1350. Sports equipment, that is 1300. Outstanding subscriptions 1500. Cash at bank 6000. Cash in hand 1500, that is 11750. The both sides is 11750. So these are the problems we have discussed. Thank you all. Thank you.